Welcome back to another episode of No Time to Be Hungry. Today here in the Mapia kitchen, we are going to be making a Chinese dish called Pat Broccoli Sai Kung, which is a stir-fried broccoli with shrimp. And it's what's for lunch. So let's go see what's in the ingredients.
Tiếp bọc carrot.
Well, of course we have broccoli, we have carrots, garlic, and of course shrimp. Now what we need is a hot fire, a wok, and some oil. And mushrooms. Got some garlic. I think she really enjoying her new fire. Fixing to be a fire. So we're adding in a little bit of mushroom. Of course, the shrimp. This is what they look like. You can buy them fresh, or you can buy these already and then soak them in water to bring them back to life. Once we get the shrimp cooked, we're going to add a little bit of naman hoi, oyster sauce. Then we're going to add some soy sauce and some sesame seed oil. Those are like your go-to stir-fry ingredients. Carrots and broccoli. Of course, your vegetables need to go in kind of towards the end, obviously, so they're a little crunchy still. You don't want to overcook them. I wish you guys could smell that. Means smells. It's hot. Hot. Hon is hot. Hon is Isan for hot. Ron is the perfect way to say hot. Ron or lawn or hon. What do you want me to say? My She's gonna get a knife. A little bit more oyster sauce, she says. That is a lot of pepper. Okay, did you guys get all of that technique? I hope so. This looks like a really simple, easy dish to make. I think most stir fries are pretty easy and usually have almost the same ingredients. Okay, this is hot broccoli sai pu, sai head.
บรอกโคลีใส่กุ้งใส่เห็ดหอม
Okay, I wish you guys could smell that. That smells wonderful. But this is hot broccoli ใส่กุ้งใส่เห็ดอร่อยมากหอมอร่อยมาก
ค่ะโรยเพราะโยมันไม่ได้ยินเสียงเลย
That's
ได้แล้ว
dessert.
ไม่ได้ยิน
Okay,
มัน
let's
ว่า
do
อัน
this
นี้
stir
มัน
fry
มัน
and
แม่บ
try.
ริขายเลยนะมันบริมันตัดสิน
Little tiny bit of rice, huh? I'm not a big rice fan. I don't know why I could eat a bucket full of mashed potatoes and gravy,
เพราะอันนั้นมันคือจะติดคุกเบิด
but I'm not really big on rice.
ติดกุ้งแล้วมันถึงมันถึงกันไม่ได้
That is usually
คนไปเห็ดพิษอยู่เมืองนอกน่ะมีมาเมืองไทยหนูยังเป็นความพิษ
แม่นจะบ่ติดคุก
จะไม่ได้
จะ
รู้
บ่จะได้เป็นรั
มั
ฐ
น
มน
ว่า
ตรี
อันนั้นสารกับสารมันนอกเรามันนอกตัดสิน
You guys look like you know what I'm talking about.
เจ้าคนนี้ได้หลายคนใดเนาะ
ก็ราคาคนไหนก็คือกันเนาะ
That's the reason why I like to go on my bike ride
ค่า
sometimes.
ดาแล้วก็ใครก็ใช่
And we usually use the fork and the spoon. I use the fork to kind of shovel it onto the spoon and then eat with the spoon. Most Chinese dishes are not spicy at all. I would say all of them. Isn't that any spicy? Maybe sweet and sour. Not spicy. What is that? That's som tam isan, which is with pala, with fermented fish.
ด้วย
Am I?
เผ็ด
And it looks very spicy.
มองถึงว่าคิดไหม
Okay, midnight.
เผ็ดนึงเอาชิมดู
Som tam isan.
เห็นไหมเผ็ดอย่างนี้ว่านัวว่า
That is spicy. That little bit I just ate was fire.
ชิมได้
Oh,
อร่อยเผ็ดมาก
back then, pet pie.
เผ็ดมาก
เผ็ดมาก อร่อยเผ็ดร้องไห้เลย
Durian
Okay, dessert. This is the king of fruits in Thailand, really in the world. I really can't aggravate Paige too much with this. She gets very angry, and I know she's tolerating the smell right now. But for me, it doesn't smell too bad, and the flavor is like custard. And if you've never tried durian in your life, you need to try it in this part of the world. They do sell it like in America, but it comes frozen, and it's not the same. But you gotta try durian, or in Thai language, Durian. It starts with a T, not a D, but the brilliant person who does the English translation said it was durian, but it's Durian. It's a soft texture, like a custard, and it tastes similar to that. And it's sweet, and it's aloe.
ร่อย ไปแล้วหนู
Well, Penny just left the room. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's episode of No Time to Be Hungry. I hope you taste durian, and I hope you taste this stir-fried shrimp with mushroom. Anyway, guys, we will see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe too, and click that like button. See you on the next one. Bye.
จำได้ดี